Want to save a Snapchat picture to your gallery? In 60 seconds, here's how. Open Snapchat and tap your profile avatar at the top left. Tap Memories at the bottom to find saved snaps. Open the snap, tap the three-dot or share icon, then choose Export and Save Image. To autosave future snaps, go to Settings, select Memories, then set Autosave to Memories and Camera Roll. If asked, allow Snapchat permission to access photos so files can save. Before sending a snap, tap the download icon to save it to your camera roll. To save a story, open it, tap the three dots, and choose Save Photo or Save Story. Open any memory, tap Share, and export the image to other apps or your gallery. If saving fails, check phone settings to confirm Snapchat has photos permission. Still blocked? Update Snapchat, force close the app, or restart your phone. Done. Your snaps will appear in the gallery. Follow for more quick tech tips.